Yeah, okay.
Okay. So yeah, so for yesterday we have seen, and Nyapli is asking something. What's that, Nyapka?
Expected runtime and compile time error.
Sumant, no chepu Sumant. What I have told for exceptions, the exception will occur at compile time or runtime.
Like whether it is a checked or unchecked, the exception will come at runtime only.
Super.
Mari
Because we have the exception also.
సరే మధ్యలో రన్ టైం అన్ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ రన్ టైం అని అన్నావు, ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ కంపల్ టైం అని అన్నావు, అది నాకు అర్థం కావట్లే.
Yeah, let me say.
Okay. And in one of the class you said, like for unchecked exception there is only one case. For checked there are two cases. I'll explain. You said two cases in the sense, what is that, Sunil?
Two cases. Yeah, that I will see. That to handle the exception for the checked, there are two cases. That is by using try catch and by using throws keyword. Okay, that throws keyword I will tell. Okay, at the last. Okay, at the last.
Okay.
See, definitely I will cover everything. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, so yeah, Gnabika.
Hello.
Yeah. Please mute at your end.
Nice, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So here the thing is, so I just want to repeat yesterday's point. Any exception will happen at runtime only. Okay. Okay. But checked exception, if we don't handle, if we don't handle, we will face a compile time error. We will face a compile time error. Okay. So because of this point, most of the students will think checked exceptions are coming at compile time, and runtime exceptions are coming at runtime. Okay, unchecked are coming at runtime. Like that they will see. Okay. But it is not the case. Okay, for checked exception, like your mom or like your teacher, it is giving you some warning or some hint. Okay, for safety side. Okay, na? For safer side. Okay, so I'm saying any exception will happen at runtime only. But for checked exception, if we don't handle, or if we see, there are two ways to handle checked exceptions. Okay, two ways to handle checked exceptions. Okay, two ways to handle checked exceptions. One with try catch. Second one, what is that? Second one, throws keyword. Okay, na? So if we don't handle by either of these, see, this is the interesting topic and this is the very difficult topic in Java. Okay, and I feel in project every file contains exception handling. So Sumant, please try to remember this point. Okay, every file. Okay, in one way or the other, it will contain exception handling. Okay.
Okay, got
it. If we don't handle by either of the ways, with either of the ways, yes, we will get, what is that? We'll get compile time error. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yapika.
ఓకే, అంటే కంపైల్ టైం అంటే అది ఏ కేస్ లో అవుతుంది? అవి ఆ కేస్ పేరేంటి? అంటే సంథింగ్ ఆ ఎర్రర్ పేరేంటి?
ఎర్రర్
అంటే ఈ ట్రై క్యాచ్ కాకుండా త్రోస్ లో వస్తే అది అది రన్ టైం అవ్వదని చెప్పావు. హలో,
ఒక్క నిమిషం.
ట్రై క్వశ్చన్ త్రోస్ కానీ అది త్రోస్ అవ్వకపోతే అది రన్ టైం అంటున్నావు. అది కంప్లీట్ టైం ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది ఇంతకి?
నేను చెప్పాను కదా. లెట్ మీ సే అగైన్. Yashi, are you back? Asking some doubt. Ask me. జ్ఞాపిక చెప్పు డౌట్ చెప్పు.
అంటే ట్రై క్యాష్ చేయకుండా త్రోస్ అని అన్నావు కదా.
అవును.
ఆ కేసెస్ అవ్వకపోతే కంప్లీట్ టైం అడ్రస్ అని చెప్పావు.
అవును.
ఆ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక చెప్పావా? కంప్లీట్ టైం అది అంటే ఐఓ ఎక్సెప్షన్ కానీ అలా.
yesterday I told you some print writer file not found exception. మరి అదే కదా.
అదేనా?
yesterday I told you, I copied the example also. Have you gone through it?
I gone through it, but I did not practice on it.
See, this is right exception. Okay. So we'll start today's class with the top 10 exceptions. Okay. So so far we have covered, what is checked exception, what is unchecked exception. Okay. What are the base for checked exception and what are the base for unchecked exception? Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. So here, two ways to handle checked exception, one with the try catch and one with throws keyword. Okay. But only one way to handle, what is that? To handle unchecked exception with the try catch only. So after this top 10 exceptions, we'll see which case each and every exception will come. After that, we'll go through, throws keyword. Okay.
Okay.
So as I said, checked exception has two ways and unchecked has only one way to handle it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I should say, you can say top 10 exceptions. Okay. See, because you are speaking about exceptions and multiple exceptions, right? No, you should you should know that, in which case which exception will come, like that. Okay.
Yes.
The first one is, first one is array you can say null pointer exception. Can you say?
Can we open that?
Yeah. So I'm asking, this is checked or unchecked? Null pointer exception.
Null pointer is unchecked.
Yeah, it is unchecked exception. It is unchecked exception. In which case it will come? Any idea, Sumant or Jayashree?
Null pointer maybe is not
simple
into
string, any string str equal to null. Okay. Now if you try calling length or any method, okay, length, it is null pointer exception. Okay, na?
Yes, because it does not have
any content. So there is, you're not supposed to, you're not supposed to, what is that? Call any method on that object. Okay, for null. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So in coming to the real time, like how we will know like this point, like this exception will come, this exception, we will handle all the exceptions which was there, or like how, like suppose.
I will say, see, there are some examples I'll give. Okay, after this, okay, you will come to know. Okay.
Okay.
See, based on the situations only, you should see. It will come through practice only. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
See, str equal to null. It is null pointer exception. Okay, now.
Okay.
See here, I'm getting error. Am I correct? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, like this. Okay. Null pointer exception. Okay, cannot see read the error. Cannot invoke string null because str is null. Okay, see this much clearly it is telling, right? How clearly it is telling. See,
by that only we can understand like it is.
Yeah. Okay. Now the second one. Okay. Array index out of bounds exception. You should tell someone. Okay, or you should tell guys, at least anyone.
Napika will tell Napika.
Yeah. Napika, I'm asking you only.
If you are giving any range for an array, if it is like
wait, I have asked Napika, right?
Napika is not.
Napika.
Huh?
Why, in which case array index out of bounds exception will come?
Unchecked.
Yeah, it is unchecked. I know. Yeah, but I'm saying in which case it will come.
Suppose in array, if we give up to 10 only,
okay.
If we try to get the 11th one index, it is not possible.
Yeah. Okay, good. That's all. Yeah. So let us try to recreate that. Okay. See, this will give me an error. Okay. See, okay na?
Yeah.
See, array index out of bounds exception. Okay.
Yeah.
See, the interviewer might ask, okay, the might ask in which case which exception will come, like that also he might ask. Okay.
There is a chance.
Yeah, definitely. See, but you should know it. See how clearly they mention exception in thread main. Okay. Java.lang.array index out of bounds exception, index 10 out of bounds for length 5. See, you are trying to access index 10, but the length is 5. Okay. In line number also, it is how nice is it telling. JVM is telling. See, by the way, who is printing this message? Someone, this error message?
Default exception handler, DEH.
Yes, exactly. DEH will print this error message. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, stack overflow error. Can anyone? Why? In which case it is coming like this?
No idea.
Yeah. Okay. So it is nothing, someone. Okay.
Stack overflow error is an error, not exception, right?
Yes, that's correct. I was about to tell that only. So if you see the hierarchy, okay. See, because it is an error, but this is also comes in some cases. That's why I'm telling. Okay. Okay. And at the programmatic level, you cannot handle this. Okay, stack overflow error. Okay, as I said earlier, errors are we cannot handle them. Okay.
Yes.
But this error we can see, in the program level, but you cannot handle it. Okay.
Okay.
So it is the child class of error. Child class of error is a child class of error, and hence it is unchecked. Okay.
Hmm.
So the child class of runtime exceptions and child class of errors are unchecked. Okay, na?
Yes.
Whenever we are trying to invoke, whenever trying to invoke recursive method call, recursive method call, I will tell you what is this call. JVM will rise stack overflow error. Okay, na Suman?
Okay.
So let us try to recreate this. Predict to produce. Okay, na? See here. See void fun. Am I correct?
Yes.
Here void play. See this fun will call play and play will call fun recursively. You got it?
Yeah.
See this fun inside the fun will call play. Inside the play you are calling fun. Okay. See this will go till infinite time. Okay. So at the some time the stack will the stack memory will get filled. Okay. So at that time you will get stack overflow error. Okay. Na?
Got it.
So from the main you just call fun or play. That's it. It's enough. Then the chain goes on, goes on, goes on. Okay. You got it right. Gyapka, is it okay?
Yeah. I don't know.
Thank you. See, you got it right, someone. See, this is play is calling fun is calling play is calling fun is calling play, like that. Okay. So it isn't stack overflow error. Okay.
Okay. But there is no like we can't handle
Yeah,
this,
you
right?
can't handle this. As I said earlier, our interest lies with the the child class of exceptions only, not the child class of errors. Okay.
Yeah.
And no class f found error.
Record is
ఇది
Yeah,
unchecked.
it is unchecked. Yes, yes. See,
Oh.
basically ఇది ఏంటంటే డాట్ క్లాస్ ఫైల్ అది దొరకనప్పుడు ఇట్ విల్ క్రియేట్ ఎన్ ఎర్రర్ అనమాట. ఓకే ఓకే హలో
Yes.
See,
అర్థం కాలే.
చెప్తా ఇట్ ఈస్ చైల్డ్ క్లాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎర్రర్. It is child class of error okay, hence it is unchecked. Okay na?
Yeah.
JVM will write this error. Will write this error automatically, whenever it is not able to find the dot class file. Is not able to find dot class file. Okay. So Sumant, my question is, when will the dot class file will come?
Whenever, sorry, what is the question?
My question is, when will the dot class file will come?
When we create the class,
Exactly. Okay, when we create the class. No, but not when we create the class. When we compile the class.
yeah. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Don't miss these are basics. I think I have told you these points, right? Dot class file. Am I correct?
On the day one only, I think, like
Yeah.
when you started this school.
This is some, yeah, last to the last two some of my other student Kalpana I have told this. Okay. See, test 3 is there, right? See, let us create y2. Okay. So in this class, we'll try to create this file will save in that only file. Okay. So first we'll save this file. Okay. Class. Okay. Class main class. Okay. Public static void main. Class. See, so what is happening here? Sumant, you're doing very good assignment, Sumant, actually. That's really great. You're doing, very patiently everything.
Thank you. Yeah, had to do because I'm forgetting if I'm not doing this what to rememberize.
Okay. See, so this is main class. Okay. Uh, so you should see the class which has the main method. You should use public keyword for this. Okay. See, for a single source file, see someone. Okay, my point. Hello.
Yes, yes.
For a single, make sure for a single source file there will be only one main class which is having the main method. Okay. And that main method, which the class which is having the main method, make the classes public. Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay, so let me save this class. Fine.
Sir,
So I am saying there might, you can write any number of classes in the single file.
Okay.
But only one class should be public. Okay. If you're trying to make more than one class as a public, it will give you a compilation error. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, let us try this all the cases. Okay. As the situation came now, we'll see. Okay. We'll save here. Okay now. So system dot out dot println. Hello.
Yes, Sunil. Yeah.
Okay na? So far it's okay, right, Sumant?
Yes.
Now we'll compare this class. Okay na? See, the source file came. Okay, the source file is nothing but .java file. Am I correct?
Yeah.
See, what is this? .java file, right? Let us see the exception.
Where it is.
Properties. Okay, I think I have more. Let me open this properties.
Type things.
No, I gave the class name as morning class. Huh? Main. Sorry, the class name should be. See, this is .txt file. Also. See, the class name should be .java. Okay. It is just saved as normal text file. Okay, it is not the case, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me delete that. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Oh my God, I think it deleted. Okay, so let me save again. File, save as. So see here, whatever the main class, whatever the public class name is there, no, you should give the same name. Okay.
Got
Okay.
it.
Main class dot Java. See, you make sure that for a class there will be single public class file that contains the main method. Okay. Okay. And that contains the main method. Okay. And the class name should be the main class name only. Main class dot Java. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Okay, now you see here. See, if you see here, this is the Java source file. Am I correct? Now you see the properties. This is .java file. The .java should come here. But you got it right. See, this is a Java source. See the type. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now if you compile that, if you compile this class, we'll get a class files. Okay. How many class files will get? 3 class files. Java C file name main class dot just a minute. Don't compile. Just you try to create some object. See now try to compile. What is the compilation command? Java C file name main class dot Java. Okay. Let us see it will compile or not. Okay. Cannot find symbol. Okay, it is student one, I think, right? Yeah, student one and student two. Correct. See, it is compiled, right? Now we'll see how many dot class files are generated there. Okay. See how many dot class files generated. 1, 2, 3. Okay, na? Did you got it, Suman? Now, what is dot class file? What is Java source file? Am I correct?
Yes.
See, why this the JVM will turn the source class file into dot class file. Okay, this dot class file will given as input to JRE. Okay, so this block diagram I will teach in a separate class, but you try to remember this. The dot Java file will be turned into dot class file. Okay, by JVM. Okay, how many classes are there? Those many what you call those many classes will be generated. Okay.
Yes.
Now, if I by chance if I delete this file, okay.
One of the class file.
Now I try to run that. Okay. Java main class. I hope it should give that class no class def found error. Okay. See?
Yes, no class def found error.
See, yeah, no class def found error. Okay. To explain this, to recreate this, I was telling all this. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. See, Jeshi, are you there? Okay, na? This is the fourth exception. Okay, now the fifth exception. याद कर दो मैं ना
అర్థమైంది ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి
Suman, what about you?
It's fine. Like for this no class def found error, you have told the how it comes, right?
Yeah.
But this error can't be getting directly in Eclipse, rather.
Eclipse లో you can't visualize kada dot మనకి compilation
yeah.
directly can run only. That's why for any beginner, any trainer, the ideal trainer should say use notepad only to some level. Then only come to know how to compile, how to run, what is class file, what files
are generating,
what files are generating, exactly how many class files are generating. Yeah, okay na, like that. Okay.
Class.
Yeah. It is the child of
runtime.
Exactly. Actually, the Java, no, the crisis is there actually. Okay, what I feel over the 4 years, what I feel the Java, the crisis is there. Suppose in my current company in Optum, my manager has taken 40 interviews to get two candidates.
Okay.
Like no candidate is performing at least average also.
For Java only.
For
They
Java
want,
only,
right?
yeah. So people, uh, there is lot of space in Java. See, and he said out of it's not the Nagarjuna Japko, like he said you are the top out of the 40 interviews I have taken. You have performed.
What he said? Sorry,
You are the top performer. Like out of all the 40 candidates, he said to me like after joining, like you are the top performer like that. Okay, and there is other guy, okay, my colleague, okay, he performed average only, like he said he performed average only, but I don't have a way, I don't have an our time frame is very limited, so that's why I selected him. Yeah, for this. So he said for two guys he has taken more than 40 plus interviews. So what I feel, there is a lot of space in Java. You can say a lot of vacancies in Java if you learn properly. Okay. Okay, right.
got it. So,
So I'm saying, if you learn properly, you'll get, good package like this. Okay.
sure.
It is a child class of runtime exception and unchecked. Okay, kada?
Yes.
We'll try to recreate this also. Okay. Raised automatically. Raised automatically. Raised automatically by JVM. What is that not?
అవుతుంది అనుకుంటా.
Yeah. Raised automatically by JVM.
Because అక్కడ రికార్డింగ్ ఆప్షన్ అక్కడ రెడ్ ఉన్నది కదా.
Yeah, got it. But see, this will come for half an hour only. That's the problem with
That's what.
Zoom.
If it is not 40-50 minutes, means it's fine, right?
Yeah, okay. Rise the automatic JVM. Whenever we are trying to typecast, parent object to child. Okay, now. See, there is in overriding you have seen parent p equal to new child, right, Sumant?
Yes.
But if you try reverse, it is class cast exception. Okay, simple as that.
Sure. Subclass is
see, parent should be always the whole. Parent can hold the child reference, but child cannot hold the parent reference. Okay. Let us try to recreate this. This is class cast exception. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Basically, the interviewer won't say what are types of exceptions. He'll just say, "Can you brief me some exceptions?" Something like that. He'll say. Then you should say, "Sir, the parent of all the exceptions is throwable. Throwable has two childs. One is exception and second one is error." Okay. So the exception has runtime exception, IOE exception, SQL exception, servlet exception, like that. Okay. Runtime exception has some childs like arithmetic, null pointer, class cast, and these things. Okay. So you should say the childs of runtime exception and childs of error. Okay, they are called unchecked exceptions, and the remaining exceptions they are called checked exceptions. In the checked exceptions, there are two types: fully checked and partially checked. And you can say fully checked means the childs of if an exception is checked, or if an exception is fully checked, all the childs should be checked. Okay, now if an exception is partially checked, only few childs are checked, some are unchecked. Okay, like that you should say. Okay, in brief. Okay, you should give a brief overview. Okay, not like 1 or 2 lines answer. Okay.
Yes, like he will like feel okay.
Yeah,
He knows what I want.
you should give the entire glimpse of entire overview of exception handling. Okay, within the 5 minutes you should be able to say entire thing, not 1 or 2 line answer. Okay.
If we ask about or tell about some exceptions, we can tell all this, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah. Now we'll see how to generate what is that
Class
cast exception. Okay, let us see that. Okay, how we generate. Okay. Yeah. See now. See, this is valid or invalid? Someone tell me.
object. It is valid.
Valid, right? See, because you are trying to convert child to parent, it is valid. Okay.
Yes.
See, I think you hopefully won't get any compile time error. Okay. Okay. See. Okay now.
Nothing.
Now, what we'll do? Now we'll try reverse. Okay. IPL season, right? People are busy in watching IPL.
Yes. Total.
Cricket, it is ruling India.
Yeah. Like these 2 months will be, everyone will be, the topic is only the IPL, right?
Yeah. Now we'll see. Okay. Now we'll object y equal to new object. Now we try reverse. Okay.
Mhm.
Goodness. You're trying to convert parent to child. Okay. See, this is if you run it, okay, you will get the runtime exception. Okay. See if you see here, you're not getting any compilation error because why? Can you tell me someone?
Because it is unchecked.
Yeah, it is unchecked. It is the child class of runtime exception. Am I correct?
It
See,
won't, any compiler
it won't give any
warning.
compilation error. Okay, right? It will give only what is that? Directed runtime only. See, at compilation there is no error. Now if you run, see, okay now, okay. See class cast exception. Okay.
It is explaining that error.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now the sixth one, exception initializer error. Okay. So tomorrow we'll see both throws, okay, try catch, okay, first check how to handle, okay, like that we'll see, okay.
Okay.
It is the chain class of error. And it is unchecked. Ante kada?
Yes.
It is unchecked. Raised automatically by JVM. So if any exception occurs while performing static variable initialization, okay. See, this will come if any exception will come as part of what is that static variable initialization.
Static variable SVI.
Okay. Initialization. Okay, you will get this one. Okay.
Okay.
Or in static block. See, we'll see practical. Okay. Okay. Nyapka, are you following Nyapka? What I was saying?
Yeah.
Thank you. Static think you're not able to support this. 1 minute, 1 minute. No, you're not able to declare this. Yeah. This should be global level. Yeah, sorry. Okay. See, now you will get what is the error. See, this exception is part of the static variable in initialization. Am I correct? So you'll get that error. Okay. What is that error? One minute. JVM. Oh. It is not printing the error. Okay. They have exception. Okay. Yeah. See. See, exception initialization error. Okay, na? Okay, someone. But
yes,
you know, separate Eclipse has given a separate pop-up. Actually, I was surprised. You seen right?
Java exception and no, the first year.
Some pop-up has came. Okay, I was surprised a bit. Okay, fine. You got it right, someone?
Yes.
Okay. And tomorrow we'll see how to handle multiple things. Okay, throw, so try catch, and parent child. So many things we'll see. Okay, tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Today we have discussed about some of the errors like checked.
Not some. These are the top 10 exceptions. Yeah. Okay.
Not top 10. 6 we have discussed.
Yeah. Illegal. Next one. Illegal argument exception.
Tell that. Illegal state exception is there. Illegal argument also. Illegal argument exception. In that number format exception is there.
Exactly.
These are the like frequent exceptions, right?
Yeah, frequent day-to-day exceptions. These are
like arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, index out of bounds exception, illegal argument exception, class cache exception.
No class def found error.
No class def found error. Stack overflow error.
Yeah, it is the child class of runtime exception.
The name says like illegal argument. Means
yeah, I'll tell you. And hence it is unchecked. Okay. This is raised by the programmer only. Raised by the programmer mistake only. Raised by the programmer mistake. I will tell you what is the mistake and everything. So basically, if you create a thread, see these things I'll teach you multi-threading in detail, but as of now, try to have some idea. This is the object of thread class. Okay. So for threads, so there is something called priority, set priority. Okay, multiple threads are there. Based on the priority, these threads will execute. Okay. So the feasible order is the possible order is 0 to 10.
Okay.
1 to 10, sorry, 1 to 10. But if you set some priority more than 10 or 100 or something, you will get that illegal argument exception. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, na? Like this. See, illegal argument exception. Okay, na?
Repeat ఎందుకు వస్తది
See, 1 to 10 is the proper order. If you give more than 10 the order priority, if you give illegal argument, then you will get illegal argument exception. Okay.
Okay, 10 వరకు అయితే రాదా?
Yeah, 10 వరకు అయితే రాదు. If this is valid only.
We will discuss this in multi-threading.
Yeah. See, it is proper, right? Got it, right?
Oh, okay. We are giving the illegal arguments.
Yeah. See, okay.
Okay, got it. This illegal argument, one is there illegal state.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Upcoming that one. Sorry, it's not 8. Next, eighth one. Number format exception. Okay. It is the child class of illegal argument exception.
Yes.
And it is also unchecked. See, no class
Yeah.
found error is unchecked. Class cast is also unchecked. Am I correct? It is child class of error. Am I correct?
Yeah.
And exception is the error is also unchecked. Okay, like this. Okay. It is a child class of illegal argument exception. And hence it is unchecked. Okay, na?
Yes.
Why is it explicitly? By the programmer. By the programmer. Okay, we'll see practically. Okay, how it will come.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Hello, Beta. I'm in a call. I'll get back to you. Just after 20 minutes. These recruiters are calling me. Wow. See, a lot of headaches a month when you're switching the company, no?
Many things comes into
Many things
picture,
come.
right?
You need to convince your current management. You need to convince
Yes.
the new joining company. Okay, and
Yeah.
there will be multiple. If you get multiple offers, you will be in dilemma what to choose.
What to choose and how these people will say join immediately.
Yeah, like this.
Many things.
They are very much, the recruiters are now, even 1% doesn't, they're not at all believing the candidates.
Yeah.
They are not at all believing the candidates actually. Okay, they are taking the last working day mail also. Then
Yeah,
only they are
no.
releasing the offer nowadays. Some companies.
It's very difficult, right? When we are switching. That's what.
They are not considering the 3 months, guys. Okay, you need to say 45 days. Okay, I'm serving like that. You need to give interviews. You need to manage somehow. Okay.
Somehow we will manage, but they have to. If they want to release, they are asking like those all things, right?
Yeah. But you need to
And
manage.
then,
But you need to manage some things. Okay.
yeah.
Actually, my friend is there. Okay, he is in Accenture. Okay, he managed actually. He said 2 months, and yeah, he got into some other company. Yeah. See, somehow you need to manage, but it's very lot of headache, Armata. Okay, yeah, okay, let's come to the topic. So, see, this is comes in the proper class. You're trying to convert the string to integer, okay, na? Okay, see, if the string in the form of number is fine, if the string in the form of this string is error, okay, you will get number format exception here in line 12, okay.
What does this parse int will do? Like parse?
It will convert the string in the form of number string in the form of number to int. You got it?
Okay.
Okay, na? At 12 you're coming. You're getting in line 12. Okay.
Yeah. Exception.
And 2 more exceptions are left. Okay.
దాంట్లో అర్థమెటిక్ వాళ్ళు చెప్పాలి కానీ ముందు చెప్పినావు కదా.
Yeah. Arithmetic is already discussed very basic exception. And these are frequent and kaadu, in interview area they won't ask the frequent exceptions, right? Definitely. They will ask, ఎప్పుడో రానివి, they will ask ఎప్పుడు ఎక్కువ రిపీట్ అవ్వని, they will ask definitely to test your knowledge. ఇప్పుడు arithmetic exception daily it will come, right?
Yes.
But these type of exceptions, in specific cases only they will come, right? They will check your knowledge in this area as well. Okay. So
right.
That's why I'm stressing on this. Okay.
Okay.
Illegal state exception. This is one. See, actually, if you create a thread, okay, let me tell you one thing. If you create a thread, legal. See, this will come in multi-threading. Okay, just leave it as of now. Just leave it. See, that's why I'm saying this exception will come in every file of a project. Okay. This flow and everything I will discuss in the multi-threading. Just as of now, just leave it. Okay. See, from now on, the things are a bit difficult and a bit interesting. Okay.
Okay.
And you should practice regularly. That's why even recordings are helpful, right? Like,
Yeah, if you want to refer, because
yeah, exactly. Sometimes by seeing the notes, you cannot, you may not understand the actual content. Am I correct?
yes, yes, yes.
I am starting the thread. Okay. If I try to start second time also, see, see illegal thread state exception. Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay.
అంటే స్టార్ట్ అనేది 2 times అవ్వడం వల్ల
Exactly. If you're trying to call the thread 2 times, okay, more than one time, you'll face illegal state exception.
చేసిన ఎర్రరా ఒక్కసారి కాల్ చేస్తే ఎర్రర్ ఉండదా?
Yeah, ఒకసారి call చేస్తే error ఉండదు. Yeah, that's correct only. Yeah, whatever you're saying is correct. Yeah, if you call one time, there is no error. But if you call second time, it is an error. Okay.
Okay.
So one of my faculty, what he told for this example means, suppose the Lord Brahma is there, no, he will create a child, okay, and he will he will send it to the onto the land, okay, on the earth. Like after 10 or 12 years, after 20 years, if he wants to, if the guy wants to start again from the beginning, it is not possible, right? This is the same. If the thread is started once, we can't take it back like that, okay? This is my sir gave me an example, okay? Yeah, assertion error. This assertion error I will teach you in Spring Boot. Okay.
Okay.
Just I will write the overview. Just change the error,
right.
and hence it is unchecked. Okay. So these are the top 10 exceptions. Okay. So yeah, it's been an hour I think after taking class. Yeah.
మరి ఇంకా ఇది అయిపోతలేదు ఏంది రికార్డింగ్ అర్థం కావట్లేదు.
No, I think sometimes it will give you 40 minutes as well. Yeah. Okay, na?
Maybe.
So yeah, these are the top 10 exceptions. Okay. So tomorrow we'll see how to handle each and every exception, how to handle checked, how to handle unchecked, how to delegate the exceptions like that. Okay. And day after tomorrow we'll see how to create our own exceptions. Okay. Yeah, I'm shopping machine.
ఇది టాపిక్ కాదు. హ్యాకర్ ర్యాంక్ లో అనగ్రామ్ స్ట్రెస్ చేస్తున్నా. అనగ్రామ్ కోడ్.
Okay.
అనగ్రామ్ కోడ్